Now, as you can see here, I will guide you through how to edit your videos for YouTube using the InShot app effectively. First, we open the app itself, and then, as you can see here, we carefully choose the video we want to edit for our project. Next, we will carefully select our videos. For instance, I will use just a photo to demonstrate how to edit it effectively for you. Now let's move to the editing process where we will begin to enhance the video together. Now let's add animations. As you can see here, there are many options available, and they are truly amazing and fun. You can choose, download, and create your own unique animations for your videos easily. You can also use masks in your video, as you can see here. Additionally, there are various text options and effects available to enhance your project creatively and effectively. You can add effects and customize them however you like, making it easy and convenient. You can choose from a variety of filters, like this one or that one, as you can see here. There are so many options, and they're truly amazing. If you don't have any audio or other elements, you can either record your own audio, as you can see here, or find suitable alternatives online. You can either choose a sound effect from the options available, or you can easily add music directly from the InShot library. That's all for now. Thank you all for watching. Wishing everyone good luck and goodbye.